If n is even, which of the following cannot be odd? This video we are trying which logic is odd number. Let's start. Here is some option. We will check which one is odd. Number A, n plus 3. It means n is a even number, right? Even plus 3 is a odd number, but ultimately it will become odd. But we need which of the following cannot be odd. So this is odd. So number A is not a right answer. Number B, 3n plus 1. Look, 3n, what does mean? It means odd times even, right? Because n is a even number, plus 1 is a odd number. So what will become now? Odd times even. Suppose 3 times 4, it will become 12, right? Or suppose 1 is a odd number times 6 is a even number, it will become 6. So this one is even and also this one is even. So odd number times even number, it will become even number. Once we add any odd number with even number, it will become odd number. So number B also not correct. Number C, n square minus 1. N is a even number, right? So even square minus 1. Even square become even, right? How? Look, 4 square, it will be 16. 6 square, it will be 36. All are even number. So minus 1, even minus 1, it will become odd. But till we are searching for even number, because following cannot be odd, but till everything become odd. Now number D. Here is 2 times n plus 3, right? 2 times n plus 3, it means 2, n plus 3 is an odd number, right? Odd number. So any odd number become even number, right? Like 3 is a odd number times 2, it will be 6. It's a even number. Suppose 15 is a odd number times 2, it will be 30. It's a even number. So once 2 times n plus 3, it will become even number, right? So in this question, correct answer is number D, which is 2 times n plus 3. So hope you clear this one. So number logic is a very important for International Math Olympiad, IGCSE, and also for SET, and also any kinds of competitive examination. So this channel, from now sometime we will do these kinds of number logic. Hope it will help you for your practice. No more today. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.